If you're looking for the best way to keep employee records organized, this is the only video you need to watch. In under 3 minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up a system that's easy to manage, secure, and scalable. Plus, I'll share the software I now recommend after trying all the most popular ones out there. And yes, there's a free trial in the description that's exclusive to this channel, so you can follow along and try it for yourself. Let's dive in. Most businesses start by keeping employee records in spreadsheets or even paper files. That might work when you have 5 employees, but as you grow, it becomes a nightmare. You'll run into version control issues, lost documents, and serious compliance risks. So the best way to keep employee records organized starts with using a centralized system that combines document storage, employee profiles, and permissions. The tool I now use and recommend is called Bamboo. I've tried Gusto, Zoho People, and even Notion templates, but Bamboo HR hit the sweet spot between simplicity and power. Here's how to set it up. First, import all employee details: name, position, start date, and contact info. If you already have a spreadsheet, you can bulk import it to save time. Next, upload key documents to each profile: contracts, tax forms, ID copies. Bamboo HR automatically organizes them by type, and you can control who has access to what. Now here's what makes the difference: automated reminders. Set reminders for expiring documents, birthdays, probation reviews, whatever you need. You'll never miss a deadline again. You can also assign roles with permissions, so HR can see everything, managers can view their team, and employees only access their own records. This keeps things compliant and avoids unnecessary clutter. And the cherry on top? Every change is logged, so you always know who did what and when. If you're worried about setup time, it's easier than you think. The interface is clean and support is solid. I had everything running in a single afternoon. If you follow along with the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive free trial just for viewers of this channel. That way, you can test it with your team and see if it fits. Key takeaway: if you want to keep employee records organized long-term, you need a centralized permission-based system that scales as you grow. Spreadsheets won't cut it, and paper files definitely won't. Quick recap: start with a centralized HR system. Import your employee data, upload documents, and organize by type. Set up automated reminders, assign permission-based roles, and log everything for accountability. If you want to follow along and get your records sorted today, the exclusive free trial link is in the description. Take advantage of it while it's available. Thanks for watching.